1936. The automobile department of Toyota Automatic Loom Works, the predecessor of Toyota Motor Corporation, had released the Toyota Model G1 truck, but it was mired in troubles. This customer was furious that his G1 truck had come to a standstill while transporting merchandise. Rushing to the scene from the vehicle plant are department manager Kiichiro Toyoda and his staff of engineers. Some offer apologies to the customer. Some go under the truck for investigation, while others transfer the cargo into a substitute truck. Engineers and dealers are wholeheartedly doing their very best for the customer. The scene depicted here is said to represent the origin of Toyota customer service.